Vietnam first clone pig grow well. More sport need for further study official. Vietnam has for the first time successfully cloned pig using the somatic cell from the ear tissue. Four healthy piglets were born in the March. This is an important breakthrough for the country animal cloning sector, proving its science and technology role and position in the region and the world. Dr. Phạm Dũng Long, Deputy Head of the National Institute of Animal Science under the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development, talked with Quân Nguyễn and Minh Phương on the importance and prospect of this cloning technology. Could you tell us about your work and why the pot-bellied pig were selected for this project? A total of 4 clone pigs were born on the March 10, weighing the 300 each. They are the 1 to the 1.5 kg each now, with typical characteristics of the pot-bellied pig, including small erect ear, a straight back, a prominent pot-belly, and a straight tail. Our pigs are healthy and have round normally compared to the normal pig of the same breed. This is a good sign, and we are still closely following the process of the pig. Currently, Vietnam has more than 20 domestic pig breeds, which often yield low economic value compared to foreign breeds. Pot-bellied pig is a traditional Vietnam domestic breed that was neglected due to lower economic value compared to the imported breed. In 2017, Minister of Agriculture and Rural Development Nguyễn Xuân Cường want to preserve this breed for its genetic value and high quality. Conservation of native animal genetic resource is very important to biodiversity. Without the conservation, some declining species can recover their population and can disappear. It is also important for the hybridization, so that's why this is selected for this project. How has animal cloning been studied in Vietnam? The world's first successful cloning technology on the sheep was announced in 1996. Vietnamese scientists have also done study on this technology. For example, the International University under Vietnam National University, Ho Chi Minh City, and Institute of Biotechnology under the Vietnam Academy of the Science and Technology have studied cloning on the cattle like cows and pigs, but they have just announced to have successfully produced a clone embryo. This is the first time Vietnam successfully cloned a pig. It has been more than 20 years since the sheep dolly was made, and many breakthroughs in science and technology have been made, but with limited resources. Our achievement in pig cloning prove the capacity of our scientists. And as far as I know, in Asia, Vietnam only ranks second after the Thailand in animal cloning. Why it is so important, and what are the research prospects for Vietnamese science following the success of this process? The somatic cell nuclear transfer technology was successfully carried out for the first time in the 1996 in the UK, where scientists created Dolly the sheep. This successful cloning technology often a part for the many studies in biology, medicine, and fertility. Big cloning technology in Vietnam can be used in preserving rare and endangered species, choosing animal breeds that have good genetic potential or of high quality. For example, we can use the cloning technology to produce an exact genetic copy of a high quality cow with good economic value. International scientists are also aiming toward genetic engineering to transfer beneficial genes, say disease resistant or the high fertility rate, from one to another. In the long term, this technology can help to create clone pig for organ transplant for human. Research saw big organ transplant in human are promising. Depending on each country, this will open different paths for the further study. We hope to receive further support from the government and the Ministry of the Agriculture and Rural Development to conduct study on other breeds, as well as to evaluate the fertility and draw capacity of cloned pig. Genetically modified products are still controversial. How do you view concern over this issue? Countries have different views on gene engineering. However, it is necessary to do research on this for scientific purpose because this can open up many important findings in many fields. Nowadays, there are advanced technology that allow precise gene engineering. Many countries, including the US and China, are very open with genetically modified products